everybody, it's Neil, and if you are out running and don't know where your case is and you've got Airpods Pros without a case, I have the solution for you, which is the solution for Neil. And this is a new wireless charging case. So instead of going and buying the super expensive one, we decided to get this one here, which is another version of it. So let's open it up here. So this is what it comes with. It comes with a little manual here, which is nice. So very small wireless charge, and it's got a lightning connector. So it's got the, it looks like, is it lightning or is it USB-C? Let me see. I think it's USB-C. It is a USB-C connector. So that's cool too, because my old case had only a lightning connector and everything else is now USB-C. So even just for that purpose alone, it's good to get this one here. But look at this, it looks just like the originals. I can open it up, I can put my headphones in there in the right direction. And look at that, now I've got it connected up here. Hopefully it'll connect up to my, well, it's already connected to my phone. But here we go. So now I've got myself a case and it's a USB-C, so that's good. So I've even kind of upgraded my case. Hopefully it's got a nice good battery in it too. It's got the button in the same place. It looks just like the original. So I'm gonna say this is really sweet. And it should be wireless charging as well as the charging through USB-C. So totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.